Patay ka talaga, China. Kaya pala nag-deploy ang Amerika ng nuclear-powered submarine sa Pilipinas ay para pigilan ang anumang tangka ng Chinang pananakop sa West Philippine Sea. Dinepensahan kasi ni Secretary of War Pete Hegseth ang deployment, sabay babala sa China. America is establishing deterrence. Ibig sabihin, may kasunod pa ang deployment ng nuclear submarine. Baka nga yung buong 7th Fleet na warship pang ipapadala to ensure na walang pagtatambak na mangyayari. Grabe nga ang US Navy, tahimik trumabaho. Diba? Walang announcement kung nagpadala sila ng aircraft carrier sa Bao de Masinloc. Tapos kahapon lang nagkagulatan ang lahat nang may sumulpot ng nuclear submarine sa South China Sea. Parang babala ni Hegseth, hindi na i-aanunsyong susugod sila. Papasabugin na lang nila ang barko ng China. Este ng kalaban.
I'm responsible for ensuring that our department is prepared and ready to deter and defeat our enemies. Deterrence. So we will ensure the freedom of navigation returns to that part of the world, just as pertinent to our conversation today, freedom of navigation is something the Philippines experiences in the South China Sea or the West Philippine Sea. It's something we take very seriously.
Inanunsyo naman ng US Embassy sa Manila na inaprobahan na ng Secretary of War Hegseth ang pagbibigay sa Pilipinas ng $55 million. O, huwag kayong mag-alala sa $1,000,000 na yan. Hindi yan mapupunta sa bulsa ng korap. Ang gusto kasi ni Department Secretary Gibo Chodoro, weapon system na, hindi na pera, hindi na cash, kundi armas na ang diretsong isusupply ng US sa AFP. Diba? Walang korupsyon sa hanay ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Inanunsyo rin ni Hegseth na dadagdagan pa ang deployment ng air defense system sa Pilipinas. Pangdepensa laban sa missile threat. Magde-deploy rin ang US ng naval drone. Pandepensa naman laban sa barko ng China. Mensahe ni Secretary Hegseth, seryoso ang US na depensa ng Pilipinas laban sa agresyon ng China.
We agreed that the United States will deploy additional advanced capabilities to the Philippines. Ship missile system and highly capable unmanned surface vehicle. These systems will enable U.S. forces and the armed forces of the Philippines to train together on using advanced capabilities to defend the Philippines' sovereignty. We have already set a robust agenda for the next few years. Our staff and both of us are going to remain actively engaged. It reflects the strength, as I said, of our ironclad alliance, particularly in the face of communist China's aggression in the region. And our partnership demonstrates our commitment to peace and security in the Indo-Pacific.
Sa ibang balita, Chinese Ambassador Wang Zhilian pinapauwi na ng China. Hindi malaman kung utos ni BBBM o utos ng Chinese Foreign Ministry. Pero si Pangulong Marcos bahagyang binatikos. Paalam ha, parang wala kang naging dulot sa kaayusan ng South China Sea, West Philippine Sea. Wala naman kasi talagang kwentang kausap to
Unfortunately, we didn't make much more progress on the difficulties that we have in the South China Sea, West Philippine Sea.
Grabe ang Amerika, no? Gulo kung gulo talaga. Kayo, handa ba kayong tumulong kung gugustuhin ng China ang manggulo sa West Philippine Sea? Payag ba kayong mag-training para sa gera? I-komento sa baba ang salobin.